A very fresh morning to all my dear students. Welcome to mathematics class. Students, today we are going to learn new chapter, that is chapter number 11, perimeter and area. Students, in earlier classes, we have learned about the perimeter and area of a square and a rectangle. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure, while area is the region enclosed by the closed figure. In this class, we will review all these and learn about perimeters and areas of a circle, triangle and parallelogram. And solve exercise 11.1. So, let's solve it. Exercise 11.1. Question number 1. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meters and 300 meters respectively. Find its area and the cost of land. If 1 square meter of land is rupees 10,000. Students, in this question, length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are given to us, and we have to find out the area of a rectangular piece of land and also the cost of land. So, let us solve question number 1 after writing the necessary details given to us. Length of land L is given 500 meters. Breadth of land B is given 300 meters. Therefore, area of land equals to how much? Students, we know that area equals to L into B, where L is length and B is breadth. Thus, area of land equals to length into breadth, which is equals to 500 into 300. Now multiplying 5 by 3 and placing total number of zeros in the product, we get 1,50,000. Thus, area of a rectangular land is 1,50,000 square meters. Students, now we have to find the cost of land, and we know that in order to find the cost, we have to multiply the area which we obtained by the rate or cost given to us. So, let us find the cost of land. The cost of 1 square meter of land equals to rupees 10,000. So, the cost of 1,50,000 square meters of land equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 1,50,000 multiplied by 10,000 upon 1. Now multiplying 15 by 1 and placing total number of zeros in the product, we get 150 crore upon 1. Thus, the cost of land is rupees 150 crores. Now, question number 2. Find the area of a square part whose perimeter is 320 meters. Students, in this question, we have to find the area of a square part, and we have been given perimeter of a square part. Students, so in order to find the area of a square part, first of all, we have to find side of a square, and we know that side of a square equals to perimeter divided by 4. We also know that area of a square part equals to side into side. So let us first find the side of a square part and then area of a square part and solve question number 2. Perimeter of a square part is given 320 meters. Therefore, side of a square part equals to how much? And area of a square part equals to how much? Thus, side of a square part equals to perimeter divided by 4, which is equal to 320 divided by 4. Now, dividing 320 by 4, we get 80. Thus, side of a square is 80 meters. Now, let us find the area of a square part. We know that area of a square part equals to side into side, which is equal to 80 into 80. Now, multiplying 8 by 8 and writing total number of zeros in the product, we get 6,400. Thus, the area of a square part is 6,400 square meters. Now, question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 square meters and the length is 22 meters. Also, find its perimeter. Students, in this question, we have to find the breadth and perimeter of a rectangular plot of land, and we have been given area of a rectangular plot of land. Students, we know that breadth of a rectangle when area and length are given to us equal to area divided by length. So, let us find the breadth and perimeter of a rectangular plot and solve. Question number 3. Area of a rectangular plot of land is given 440 square meters. Length of a rectangular plot is given 22 meters. Therefore, breadth of a rectangular plot equals to how much? And perimeter of a rectangular plot equals to how much? Thus, breadth of a rectangular plot equals to area divided by length, which is equal to 440 divided by 22. Now, dividing 440 by 22, we get 20. Thus, breadth of a rectangular plot equals to 20 meters. Now, let us find the perimeter of a rectangular plot. Perimeter of a rectangular plot equals to 2 into length plus breadth, which is equals to 2 into 22 plus 20. Now, solving the bracket and keeping 2 as it is, we get 2 into 42. Now, multiplying 42 by 2, we get 84. The perimeter of a rectangular plot is 84 meters. Now, question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular set is 100 centimeters. If the length is 35 centimeters, find its breadth. Also, find its area. Students, in this question, we have to find the breadth and area of a rectangular set, and we have been given perimeter. Students, so in order to find the breadth of a rectangular set, we have to use formula of perimeter of rectangle, and we have to use transposition in order to find breadth. So, let us solve question number 4. Length is given 35 centimeters. Perimeter is given 100 centimeters. Therefore, breadth equals to how much? And area equals to how much? Perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth, which is equals to 100 equal to 2 into 35 plus breadth. Students, now we have to transpose 2 from right hand side to left hand side by changing its sign from multiplication to division. Thus, transposing 2 from right hand side to left hand side by changing its sign from multiplication to division, we get 100 upon 2 equals to 35 plus b. Now, dividing 100 by 2 and keeping 35 plus B as it is. We get 50 equal to 35 plus B. Now again transposing 35 from RHS to LHS by changing its sign from addition to subtraction. We get 50 minus 35 equals to B. Now subtracting 35 from 50, we get 15 equals to B or B equals to 15. The breadth of a rectangular set is 15 centimeters. Now let us find out the area. Area of a rectangle equals to length into breadth, which is equals to 35 into 15. Now multiplying 15 by 35, we get 525. Thus, the area of a rectangular set is 525 square centimeters.